How to create a Ring account. So after you have installed the Ring on your phone, simply tap on open. Then you'll see a page something like this. Here you'll see two options called create account or sign in. If you previously logged into Ring, then tap on sign in. If not, simply tap on create account. Here give your first and last name, then tap on continue. Also fill in your country's name. After filling in all the information, you'll get a message to your email address and it will activate your account within 24 hours. And it is that easy. This is how you can create a Ring account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much and I'll see you guys in the next video.